Welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
Our project title is Photo Editing App using Android Java. Abstract of our project. The photo editing app is a user-friendly mobile application designed to empower individuals with the ability to enhance the personalize and transform their photos effortlessly. In the ERN market by the ubiquity of smartphone photography, this app fills a critical need of by offering the essential yet powerful photo editing tools that caters to users of all level experiences. This abstract provides an overview of the app's key features, its user-friendly designs, and its roles in the empowering users to bring their creativity visions of life. At its core, the simple photo editing app offers a range of fundamental editing functions, including cropping, rotation, adjusting brightness, contrast, saturation, as well as applying various filter effects. These tools allows user to refine the photo's correct perfection and add artistic flair to their images. The intuitive interface ensures that the users can effortlessly navigate through the editing process, making it accessible to both beginners and more experienced photographers. Flowchart of our project. First of all, user log in the app, then login or register, then select the image by using the gallery photos or click the camera using the clicking camera photos, then edit the brush using we have the lot of options are there. Editing brush is the most one of the important thing, because anything else, if you draw the picture means it's easily to draw the means. Then if you want to means erasers and undo options are also there. Using text also we have using text and filter options also there. So after editing the process, then download the images in your internal storage. After the downloading internal storage, you can share it through the anything, WhatsApp, Gmail, like that. Thank you. This is of our project of our app. In this we needed to implement the login screen means it's not a problem, it's well implemented. First of all, is choosing the cameras for college. Camera means go to the camera. This is emulator, so we can use this camera. Then click means, then if you want to brush means, then just draw brush, and if you want eraser, then draw erasers like this. Undo and redo also available of this project. This is a simple photo editing app. So if you enter Android, then click Android means, then we want to if a color want to, if you want to color means, then select a color, then done. Where you want to keep means kept, then filter options are there, black and white, green, blue, fitness, grain, grayscale, like that. Then emojis also available like that. Then sticker, then sticker is an imported option. Then if you want to import one means, then just click on imported. If you not want means, just click it. That's all of the project. Thank you.